Welcome to class. Do subscribe and like this video. Today we're going to recreate this design by Golden Penny Foods. Alright, it is quite easy. Let's just jump into it. Let me get a shape before we begin. This shape right here, okay, is what we want to get now. This small shape, okay, this one here. I'm going to reduce it like this, put it there like this. Okay, so this guy here, then we'll come over here, select this color. It is a little bit off-white. Alright, so that is what you copy for the other ones. Okay, so let us jump into it. Alright, so let's jump into it. So the background is basically red, so let's pick the red from the design itself, this red right here. Alright, then we'll bring in some guys. This guy is going to come here. Alright, so copy this. We have one here. Alright, so let's check. Okay, this one is coming this way like this. Okay, this one is going this way like this. Copy. This one is coming this way like this. Check again. Alright. Okay, then the last one is going that way like this. Alright, it's going like this. Alright, it's entering inside this guy. Okay, so stuff like that. Then we have this guy here, 3 shapes, 1, 2, 3 at the bottom part here. Okay, it's just gonna be like this. Alright, it's gonna be the same red, but we'll add a shadow to it. Okay, so we'll just reduce it and put it here. Okay, so right there. Just copy this, put it there, adjust it, copy and put it there. Okay, and we'll just do this. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to merge both all of them together. Then I'll just do this. Okay, put it here. Alright, so we have this guy that's going to come up too. Okay, so just put it right there. Alright, so then we will bring these guys here. The word that there is Golden Penny Pesta Penny peep. Okay, alright, so I'm trying to fix these guys. So this is going to be for the Facebook. We'll reduce it here. This will be for X. Okay, they say the same handle. Okay, you see that there. Then these guys here, we're going to put this guy here, the shadow around it. The shadow will be this red here. We'll just increase it like this. Okay, alright, then we bring these guys going to be here. This guy is going to be here. Just gonna push it here. Alright, we can add a shadow to it. And we can do this and move the shadow this way. It's too much. Let's just reduce it a little. Okay. We'll work on that. Then we have here. There are different designs that we're going to add to this, so we're going to bring them now. So the first design here is, okay, let's bring this design here. This one is going to be here. We'll just rotate it like this, put it here. So check if the rotation is perfect. Right, so 16, right? Just put it there. Okay, this can come to the front now. Then we can come over here and bring the other ones. So let's go ahead and add all these guys. So minus 16 here. Reduce it, put it there. Alright, so bring this to the front. Then we'll bring this to the front. Alright, so remain the last one there. This one as the last, we'll just put it like this here. Okay, reduce it. Okay, just make sure that the rotation, the angle is okay. Alright, perfect. Put it there. Alright, we can bring this to the front now. Okay, then we can bring, alright, I think it's okay like this. So after we fix this, we want to come over here and get a font for this. So the font I'm using is called, I'm going to show you the name. So it said more reason, right? More reasons. So this is the name of the font. You can download it. I'm going to drop a link in the description for you to get it also. It's called Shallops Bold. Alright, is it? We're going to get the color that was used is actually a yellow color. So let's pick this yellow. Oh, let's get a yellow from here. Alright, so this is it. Alright, so we will just do this a little, copy it. Alright, the next word say reasons, right? We'll reduce this. Okay. Alright, so take this up a little. Take this up a little. So we said follow us. More reasons to follow us, right? More reasons to follow us. Alright. I'm going to work on this. The color, I want the color to be a little bit brighter. Alright. Okay, I'll still reduce this one. Alright, so I'm going to copy this. Alright, so I'm just going to write here, follow us. I'm going to make it white. Come over here and I'll do this. I'll rotate it a little. Then I'm going to reduce the font check very well, you will see some lines around this. Then before you have that follow, so let's get just a shape here, circular shape. All right, let's put it to there. Okay, so I'll put it here. All right, we get the color, the same yellow color. All right, so we'll just copy this font. Okay, so just write the 2 inside like this. Okay, so the color we're going to use is the red here, and we're going to reduce it. So just go ahead and reduce the font size to fit inside the circle. Okay, so when you are done, you come over here now and get this draw tool, reduce the pen size to maybe 2, then go and select white. I think 1 is even okay, self. Let's go to 1, then you do this. Okay, alright, so then you bring in this guy here, which is this. Go over to this guy here, increase it, the saturation, then you put 1 here, you copy and you put the other 1 here. You can copy again and put 1 more here. Alright, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this, and I will see you in the next tutorial. The shadow here is too much, you can just remove it. Alright, like this video and tell me where you are watching from, and let me see you in the next tutorial. This guy here, we needs to put it down. Alright, so that's it. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and drop a comment, and I will see you in the next tutorial.